So as the manager now, all I do is log in, and as you'll see, I have a very simple approve button. And I have now a list of all of the timesheets, the weekly timesheets that have been submitted. I can see the person that submitted it and the week commencing and the total number of hours. And then all I simply do is click on the line and I can see the project that's associated to, and again, the number of hours. At this point, I have the ability to either approve or reject. Both of those will automatically update the originator, so they're always kept in the loop as to what's happening. I can obviously pop in a reason as to why that's rejected, but if I click approve, that's the point where it can go through to multiple people if necessary. Otherwise, it will automatically post onto Sage projects or Sicon projects. So it's eliminating the need to have to key in and take paper-based timesheets or indeed import that information directly into projects.